All right. So
No.
yesterday, again. All right. Do you hear me?
Apa.
Okay, so let us start. So yesterday, we discussed about simplifying fractions, but we start on simplifying proper fractions, like this one. For example, we have 5 over 10. Again, to simplify fractions, we need to find first the factor of numerator and denominator. So what are the factors of 5 and what are the factors of 10? Okay, so you will think of a number that if you multiply those numbers, the answer is 5. So what are those? Aliana,
The
what are the
five.
factors of 5? What do you think? That number
I
can
think
be
5. So,
very good, 5. Because 1 times 5 is 5. So we will put also 1 here. What else? There's more?
no.
No, wala na po. How about 10?
2.
2, very good. 2 times 5,
2
right?
times 5.
Okay,
Apa.
2 times 5. And then, what else? 1 times 10, right?
Apa.
Okay, so it means the factors of 5 is 5 and 1. And then the factors of 10 is 2, 5, 10, and 1. So if you will look into the factors, what number that 5 and 10
5.
has a common factor? What will be their common
5.
factor?
Common.
What
5.
number?
5.
5. Very good. Okay, so it means 5 and 5 because 5 has a common has a factor of 5 and 10 also has a factor of 5. So the common factors of 5 and 10 is 5. So what are you going to do after getting the uh,
You divide it.
GCF? All right, very good. So you will divide it. So let's divide it both by 5 over 5. Do you remember?
Apat mo. 1.
Okay. Okay, very good. So 5 divided by 5 will become 1. 10 divided
1.
by 5,
2.
2. Very good. So our fraction now would be 1 over 2 or 1 half. All right? You get it? Do you remember?
Apa.
Okay. So let's try this one. Last example before we proceed to improper fraction. So for example, we have this one, number 10, 18 and 90. Do you see the given? 18 and 90. So we have 18 and 90. So first think of the factors of 18 and 90. So what are the factors of 18?
2.
2. Very good. 2
And 3.
times, yes,
And
2
8.
times 9, right? 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, and then 3, what is a partner of 3?
4.
3 times 4, 12 yun. What is a partner of 3? 6, very good. Okay, 3 times 6 is 18. What else?
Eight.
There's more?
No more na po.
No more na or 1 na lang. 1 and 18, right?
Apa.
Okay. How about 90? What are the pairs of number that when you multiply, the answer is 90? 10, very good. 10 times?
10 times 9.
Very good. 10 times 9. What else?
1.
1 times 90.
1
Of
times
course,
9.
right? Okay. 1 times 90. How about what else? So we have 10, 9, 1, and 90. What else?
5. 5.
5. Very good. 5. So we can multiply it by 5. In what is the partner of 5? Let's divide for you to see what is the partner of 5. If you divide it by 5, it will become 1. What is the answer? What is the partner of 5? Look at the screen. I already divide it. So what is the answer? 18. All right, 18. Okay, 5 times 18, that would be 90. Because if you divide 90 by 5, the answer is 18. You get it? So look at the factors. What is the common factor?
18.
Do you see? Okay, we have 9, right? And we have 18, right? But the greatest is
18.
18. Very good. So we will use 18 because that is the greatest common factor. So it means we will going to divide it both by 18 divided by 18. And the answer will be what? 18 divided by 18, the answer is 1. Very good. How about 90 divided by 18?
9, 9, 9 divided by
What is the partner of 18 earlier? 90 divided by 18? Or how many 18 do you have in 90? How you can multiply 18 times? You can try. How many 18? What do you think? How many 18 are there in 90?
I think
How many?
it's mga 5.
5? Let's see. Let's multiply. 18 times 5. 5 times 8.
40.
40. So 0, carry 4. I think it's exact. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, it's 90. Very good. So that is 90. So it means 90 divided by 18, the answer is 5. Okay, so now our fraction is simplified as 1 over 5. Nagets mo po? Okay, now let's move on to the improper fraction. So what do you mean by improper fraction? Improper fraction is look like this one. Your numerator is greater than the denominator. This one, like this one, 98 over 21, 10. This one, number 3. 1,115 over 125, 525 over 84. So those are the example of improper fraction. So what do you mean by improper fraction again? The numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay?
Okay.
So what are you going to do if you have a fraction like that? Do you remember? What are you going to do if your numerator is greater than the denominator?
Um,
What operation are you going to use? If your numerator is greater than,
I
means
think
the
it's five.
number, again,
Is it ano? Um,
what operation?
five?
Uh-huh.
I
Again,
just
again.
multiply.
Are you going to multiply?
Divide.
Yes, that is divide. Very good. You will divide it. Do you remember? 20, for example, for example, 26 over 12. All right, so 26 over 12. So it means 26 divided by 12, right?
Apa.
Okay. So in simplifying improper fraction, if your numerator is greater than the denominator, it means the number on the upper part is greater than the number on the lower part. You're going to divide it. And then your answer will become a mixed fraction. Okay, so let's try. 26 divided by 12. How many 12 do you have in 26?
Two.
How many 12? 2. Very good. So we will use 2. And 2 times 12, the answer is?
24.
All right, 24. And then if you will subtract it, 26 minus 24 will become 2, right?
Apa.
And then 2 divided by 12 is cannot be because it's too small. So it means 2 will become your remainder. Okay? 2 will become your remainder already. And then your answer is 2. So what are you going to do? How will you write this one into a fraction? Let's see if you still remember. How will you write this one into a fraction?
Teacher, wala po akong pen.
Hindi ka po
Ma,
makarite?
I cannot hear you po. Hindi po. No.
Pero nakikita mo yung mga nire-write ko po.
Opo.
Check mo po sa side. Check mo sa side. Yung arrow, baka nandun lang sa gilid. Wala sa side? Sige, dictate mo na lang. I will write na lang. Sige po. What will be your fraction? 2. And then?
2.
2 saan?
Apa.
Ganyan?
Apa. Tsaka sa
Then?
baba.
Sa baba, 12. Ganyan po ba?
Apa.
Itong 2 whole number?
Apa.
Right. So that is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Ibig sabihin, you still remember. 2 will become the whole number because that is the answer. And then 2 also because that is the remainder. Okay, so 2 as a whole number because that is our answer. And another 2 as the remainder will become the numerator. And then our denominator will be the denominator of the given, which is 12. So your answer is 2 and 2 over 12. But if you will see, Eliana, 2 over 12 has a lowest term, right?
Apa.
Ano pong lowest term ni 2 over 12? In what number are we going to divide it?
2.
2. Very good. So we will divide it by 2. So if we will divide it by 2, what will be your answer?
2 divided by 2 is 1 and 2 divided by 12 is 6.
All right, very good. So then the whole number will be copied only. So your final fraction will become 2 and 1 over 6. You get it?
Apa.
Very good. Okay, so let's try. Let's try another one. Let's try here on the lower part. Okay. This one. Let's try this one, Eliana. Number 9. Do you see it? Do you see number 9? I will erase lang. I will just up lang. This one. Do you see it? 165
Apa.
over 40. Do you see the given?
Apa.
Okay, now, how will you simplify 165 over 40? Again, you have to divide it. So what do you think will be the answer? Can you divide it?
Teacher,
Can you use your pen na?
No po.
No po. Sige, I will write na lang. So 165, just dictate me what is your answer. Okay, then I will write. All right? Like that. So
Okay.
165 will be divided by 40. So the numerator is the number inside the division sign, and then 40 will be the outside, the divisor. So what is your answer? 165 divided by 40? How many 40 do you have in 165? What do you think?
1.
Oh, one only? That is bigger, 165. How many 40 do you see in 165? If you have 165 pesos, what do you think? How many 40 pesos are there?
Mga 6 po.
Mga ilan po? Ilang
Mga
40?
6.
Mga
6 po. Mga 6.
3? 6? 6
Apa.
like this. 40 times 6 like that.
Apa.
Oh, let's try. Your 165 only, huh? You need 165 only. So let's try. 0 times 6 is 0. 6 times 4 is 204, 24. So it will become 240. It's too much. So it means you need lower than 6.
Mga ano po.
Lower than 6. So let's try lower than 6. What do you think? How many 40? Mga ilan po kaya kasang 40 sa 165? Lower than 6 daw po. Mga ilan po? Mga ilan po gusto mong i-try? Again?
Mga 5.
Mga 5? Are you sure? It's 240 kasi nung 6. 240 nung 6 yung tinry natin. 165 lang yung need natin.
2.
5 ba? Tatry natin?
At 2. 2 po.
2? Like that?
Apo.
Pag 2 po, 0. 2 times 4 is 8. So, 80 lang.
Oh.
Kapag,
3.
ilan po?
3.
3? Let's try. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 120. Malapit na.
Teacher, how about 4?
Malapit na. 4. Let's try 4. 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. O yan, yan ang pinakamalapit. 160. 160 because we need 165, right? So it means 440 is what we need. So we have 4 here. 4 times 4, that is 160. So we will write 160 here and then subtract it. We will have 5 because 165 minus 160 is 5. Now, what will be your fraction? If your answer is 4 and then your remainder is 5, what will be the fraction?
4 and 5.
4?
Did you calculate 40?
Yes?
Okay, tsaka sa taas po 5, tsaka sa baba 40.
Like this one?
Apa.
Ganyan po?
Apa.
Okay, that is correct, Eliana. All right? But,
Okay.
look at your fraction. Look at your fraction. Is that your final answer?
No po, pwede pa po siya is, sa 5.
Very good. You can divide it by 5 because 5 and 40 is divisible by 5. Very good. You know na the factors. Okay, 5 divided by 5.
1.
1. Okay. 40 divided by 5.
8. 5, 17, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 8.
Red po?
8.
8. That is correct. 8. All right. And then the whole number, copy lang po. All right. So your final fraction is 4 and 1/8. All right? You get it?
Apa.
Okay. Do you have any question about that?
Wala na po.
Okay. So we will have another example, but before that, let's have a 3-minute break first. Okay?
Okay po.
All right. See you in 3 minutes, Eliana.
Okay po.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.